Mucho Flying Titans from offense to defense.
Show sportsmanship at the end of the match. They're all friends at the end of the day, but on the court, it is the Flying Titans getting the better of the Angels. Some tears.
The system can be and how successful they have.
Our best player of the game, Cici Rondina. But first, Choco Mucho Flying Titans, welcome back to the final! Celebrations all around the Flying Titans. Cici and the rest of the Choco Mucho Flying Titans, congratulations on the semi-sweep. First Creamline, then Cherry Digo, and today the Petrogas Angels. Kwento mo naman sa amin kung paano nyo to pinaghandaan, especially for you with your 31-point performance today, Cici.
Simula nung pumasok kami sa semis, walang ibang inisip yung team kundi magtrabaho para makapasok kami ulit sa finals. And ayun, nagtiwala lang kami sa